Good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we're on the day number 9, right? Yes, we are on the day number 9. So, yesterday yesterday we discussed that how to create a table, different fields on that table, and how to create a form and everything. I did not get chance to be see that what everybody has done till now, but over the weekend, I will do this particular part. Okay, today topic is little interesting. Not a boring, interesting topic. Okay, and again a practical topic because few things I want to be closed before I go for a leave. Okay, so now let's discuss about something new. Today's topic we are starting is called SLA, Service Level Agreement. What this mean? So between you and me, there is an agreement. What is the agreement? That this course will be get completed in 30 days, and every day there is a 1 hour class. If I did not start the class at 5 a.m., you can escalate it. Atul, why you're not in the starting the class on time? Why are we late? Why do the gossips and all the things will be there? So this is an agreement between you and me. Also, there's an agreement that if you need any help, you stuck somewhere, you can put in the WhatsApp group and I will reply you back. Possibly in 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, like this. But if you send a message in the group or might be to me personally over the weekend, I might not reply you on time because weekend is free for me and I'm not be 100% liable to reply you immediately. But other days, I will reply you back. But sometimes what happen, someone say, Atul, I want to discuss something very important, urgent. And if I free, I see the message, I say, okay, give me a call immediately. Quick SLA. Or someone says, Atul, I want to discuss something. I'll say, okay, what do you want to discuss? Something urgent? No. Just need a little guidance. Okay, give me a call after 5 hours. Again, it's a SLA. You order something from any of the e-commerce website. Once you order, pay and submit, you get a message. You get an email. Thank you for booking your order. You will get your product in 5 days. That 5 days is a SLA. You are not bothered that which team is going to take these 5 days. It's 5 days for packing, 5 days for delivering, 5 days for billing, or 5 days for any other team. But on the 5th day, you want your product in your hand. So another concept come in this picture that is called OLA, Operational Level Agreement. This thing is always internal. Like between you and me, there is an agreement of 30 days. Now it is up to me and specific topic that how much I want to be spent on each topic. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or 4 hours, like this. That is called operational level. When there's an agreement between the internal teams that if X issue came, database team need to be resolve this issue in 2 hours. But for the customer, it is still 5 hours. But database team need to be resolved in the 2 hours. And the last option which come here, is called the UC, underpinning contracts. What this mean, underpinning contract? I approach to you, or yes, I approach, or might be, let's say, you approach to me, Atul, can you take a class for us? I said, okay. And I pass this group to someone else, some other company, some other institute. Hey, I have a batch. Can you take a batch on my behalf? But it will be complete in the 28 days or 20 or 32 days. That is called underpinning contract. When you pass your contract to someone as a third party, like companies take server from Microsoft, from Oracle. If there is some issue in that particular part, they say it's an underpinning contract. Please pass that ticket to this team or assign to this particular team, and they have their own SLA. Might be for you, it's a P1, but for the Microsoft, it's a P4 or P2 or P3. So those are called the underpinning contracts. That if anything goes wrong in this area, I will reach out to this particular company, and customer know, client know that, okay, service provider has a contract with some other company as well. That is underpinning contract. Okay. We are going to mainly discuss about the SLA. Now, what's the next concept? Josna ping me on the WhatsApp. I did not respond in first 30 minutes. Okay. Salma messaged me on the WhatsApp. I respond in a 2 minutes. Shakif messaged me. I respond in the 30 minutes. And these three guys repeat the same instance 2-3 times. Same response. Now, there's a new word is coming. You message me and I did not responded back, or I responded back. That is called the response SLA. It is not required that in the response I will solve a problem or not. Salma message me and I say, yes, Salma, tell me, Atul, I'm facing some issue in the table creation. Okay, do this thing and do this thing, it will be done. On the response, I'm giving the solution as well. Or I can say, Salma, okay, thanks. I saw your issue now. Give me some time. I'll come back to you. So sometime in the response, you got the solution as well. If not, then we have another SLA called the resolution SLA. सारा खेल इसी का ही है इन दोनों का. This is a game. If you are a merit person here, then most time husband and wife fight on this. Why? On a Sunday morning, wife is making the delicious food or the breakfast. Husband is busy in watching TV and wife say, hey, can you come and help me? And husband did not respond. My response SLA, breach. Then in the furious mood, wife came and say, why not listening? I'm calling you again and at least say yes or no. That is the response SLA. Wife says, can you help me? Husband came and say, okay, tell me what to do. Can you mash these potatoes and cut this onion? Husband took 45 minutes to do this particular part, which is more than the expected time. It should be done in the 10 minutes, but he's taking 45 minutes. That is the resolution SLA. Don't laugh. It's a practical story for in everybody's life. Okay. And you can tell this story to your spouse as well. So that is resolution SLA. If husband listen or wife listen in a few minutes, good response SLA. If the allocated activity done in a simulated time is called the resolution SLA has been met. Go ahead, Yashaswini.
So, is there any consequences if we don't reach within particular time?
Definitely yes. If you think from the customer perspective. Okay, so now let me go with the same story and then we'll come to the customer perspective. If husband did not complete that activity within the time period, what will the consequences? The breakfast will be delayed. Your next program outings will be delayed. And the wife say, no, now I'm not in the mood to go out. I'll take a rest here. In the same manner, if you did not, so okay, now I'll put a cross question on this part. If you order something from the e-commerce website and they say, ma'am, you will receive your package in the 2 days. And if you did not receive that package in the 2 days, what you will do? What you will do?
If not necessary after that time, we will return.
Okay, what else?
We'll raise a complaint.
Escalate.
Complaint. What else?
We will escalate. We'll reach out to customer care regarding the
Okay,
product.
escalate. What else?
Penalties.
Yes, penalties. Wait.
Maybe
Saransh
we'll
says
revoke the
penalty.
order.
Okay. Just repeat again.
We'll revoke the order. We
We'll
don't
revoke the order.
want it.
Okay. Dashil, what do you think?
Not coming on time.
I will cancel it if not needed.
Cancel it. And might be we will not order from the same website next time as well. So these are the
Yes.
consequences. But ultimately, who get a hit? The seller get a hit. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, this e-commerce website don't have anything. They might lose little amount, little commission, but it is a big loss for the seller. So penalties are one of the main thing which has been defined when you are writing the SLA. But it is also important to be understand when you are defining, when you're talking to your customer about the SLA, you need to be think, you have to be ask 4 things. Start, pause, complete, and resume. Being a consultant, being a business analyst, my first question to my customer, do you have SLA on the place? I work for a customer who don't even have a SLAs on the place. They say, no. In our company, we don't have SLAs. If you have SLA, what type of SLA you have? Response or resolution? If it is a response, what is the condition that SLA should start? Now, let's say if Yashaswini is just thinking in mind, I need to be talk to Atul and complain me, Atul, you did not listen me, you did not respond me. You did not ping me even. How I can know that you are thinking about me to be ping, to be asked something with from me? When to start this SLA? Which condition it should be start? Which condition it should be stop? You got your product within the 2 days. SLA met. SLA should be stop. Or you're still counting. नहीं 2 days के बाद मैं escalate करूंगी क्योंकि अभी तो product आ गया फिर भी मुझे escalate करना है. Not. Then pause. In which condition this SLA will get pause? Your product has been out for the delivery, but you got a message. Sorry, we need to be, the delivery will be delayed because there is a curfew in your area. We can't deliver it today. Your SLA get pause. So in this part, we have these three things plus time, or I can say schedule. Outside the hospital, it is mentioned 24/7 services, ambulance. So it is important to be asked that, okay, what in which time, minutes, hours, second, days, this incident should be resolved. This is what we discussed with the customer. That, okay, this incident should be resolved in 2 hours. Priority 4 incident you can resolve in the 24 hours. Now Deepak will say, Atul, 24 hours means in a day. No. No, it depends. If there is a fire going on, you can't wait for the 2 days to call the fire brigade. You need to be called immediately. But if there is some small leakage going on in a house, you can hold it for the 2 days. Okay, over the weekend, I will call plumber and he will fix it. If there is no gas at your home, it's a P1. Because if there is no gas, no food, nothing will be there. So you have to fix that issue immediately within an hour. 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour maximum. Otherwise, if something is not at home and you don't need immediately, okay, over the weekend, I will go and I'll bring it. That is called schedule. Now let me come to service and see here. Go here and search for the SLA. This one, SLA definition. Now, who will take the homework for today? Shakif, take a homework for today.
Okay, Atul.
Okay. Number one, you need to be read, you need to be see out of the box SLA given by ServiceNow. ये सब जो SLA सही है. Now let's create our own SLA. Okay. This is the SLA definition. We are defining our SLA. The name should be logical name. By seeing the name, you can see that what this SLA is going to be do. What I will do? LNG P2 response 30 minutes. Now by reading this, you can say yes, Atul is going to be define SLA on the P2 incident and it is a response time and it will be 30 minutes. Because these are the quick identifications. By seeing the name, you can say, right? Like if you're passing some way and you can see a board. On that board, it is mentioned that here you can get any type of medicines. It means it is a medical store or it has some medical stuff as well. Now type SLA, OLA underpinning. I'll say SLA. Target, response or resolution. I'll say response. On which table you want to put it. I am putting by default on the incident table. But you guys need to be create minimum 5 to 6 SLA on your different tables which you created in the last 2 days. I'm sure now you are able to connect that dots. Okay, which topic I'm doing and why I'm giving you the exercises. So you created 5 or 6 table in the last 2 days. If yes, then good, appreciate. If no, then please create and you need to be create the SLA on that tables. Flow, you can keep it like this, default SLA flow. Okay. Active true. Come this part. Duration type. During the COVID, when I was in Pune, so I'm sure that everybody uses the same concepts. We did not go outside. We order the vegetables from a website. Now that website has a rule. Either you order anytime in a day. Anytime in a day. Either you order morning 5 o'clock, either you order evening 5 o'clock, either you order in the night 11:30 or 11:45 or 11:59. You will get your order next day. That is a fix. This is what it's saying. It has a two options. Number one, 2 business days 4 p.m. Order anytime, you will get after 2 days only. 3 business days, breach of due date, next business day by 4 p.m. Generally, as per my practice, my understanding, my experience, we always use a user specific. If you order today in the morning, you will get order by tomorrow morning. If you order in the night 10:30, you will get your order after 20 hours. That is what the user defined. So this is say what this is what the duration I'm saying. 5 days, right? 6 days. Your order will be delivered in 5 days, 6 days, 3 days, 40 minutes. This is what we are defining. So I'm putting it a limited. Let me say 10 minutes. Easy रहेगा थोड़ा सा करना. ठीक है? Because in the 10 minutes we can see a lot of changes. Okay, and when you are doing practice, don't put more than 20 minutes. क्योंकि उतने में तो आप बोर हो जाओगे. Put small time, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, so that you can see the changes, you can see the calculations, you can understand the calculations as well. Now what it's saying if anybody using this SLA now immediately it will breach at 5:34. You can say 5:24 is here. It will breach at 5:34 क्योंकि हमने ये टाइम दिया. आप इसको चेंज कर दो और if you change it this one, जी वो कह रहा फिर मुझे बताओ किस रिकॉर्ड में मुझे बनाना है. So generally we go for the user specific. If you say here like 5, see it's getting changed. So I'm saying my SL is this thing. Now the source, that is important. Important to be understand. Number one, there is a no schedule. Guys, I know you are doing very hard. If you need any help, give me a call at any point of time. I'm available 24/7. Don't worry about the time zone. Anytime you just give me a call, give me a message, I can help you. That is said, no schedule. Khatam. 24/7 available. I said, no, there should be schedule. इसको मैं पिकअप करता हूँ लेटर. इस पे आते हैं. Incident field. I want my SLA should be start when I have this field should be filled like created date. Sorry. Like assigned to is manager. कहाँ गया ये? Wait. Manager. This one assigned to schedule, and in the schedule you can pick it up. That which application or something we can pick it up. Generally, we avoid this part as well. We always go for the definition. Always go for the definition. What this mean? I said that guys, okay, there's an agreement between you and me. You can give me a call between my 5 a.m. till my 10 p.m. If you give me call, give me message, I will respond you back in the 10 minutes. But next week I will be having a off. If you message me, I will not respond you in the 10 minutes. That is SLA definition. यहां पर हम शेड्यूल बताएंगे एंड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ शेड्यूल वी हैव ये रहा 8 to 5 weekdays 8 to 5 weekdays excluding holidays. Let me show you something like this. When you are doing the practice today or might be tomorrow or day after tomorrow, don't put any schedule. Because if you put the schedule now, then you have to wait for SLA to be start. Now what it says 8 to 5. Let me show you what this mean actually. This SLA will run only on the weekdays, number one, and only between morning 8 till 5. अभी तो 8 भी नहीं बजे. It means if you see this part, SLA कितने का है 10 मिनट का, but what it's saying, this SLA will breach at 8:10. Why? Because my SLA will start at 8 o'clock only, not before that. Because it's a non-business hours. So I have to be define this SLA schedule 8 to 5, Monday to Friday. If you raise an incident tomorrow and this SLA will get attached, the SLA will breach on the Monday 8 o'clock, 8:10. Not Saturday, not Sunday, because this SLA says I have a schedule only for the weekdays. और लिखने से weekdays नहीं हुआ, ये यहाँ define किया हमने, repeat किया इसको every weekday. In our Outlook, we have a schedule, we have a meeting invites, reoccurring meeting invites. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No meeting on Saturday, no meeting on Sunday. Repetitive when you put. This is something it is been doing. Now Josna is coming in the picture. Until next week to Thanksgiving be here. And team will be off. How you define that particular part? It's a holiday. So in that case, let me show you the another use case. They have a child schedule as well. किसी का तो था child schedule. Wait, let me check. Oh, there's a child schedule as well. In that you will let me see. Wait. Excluding holidays. हाँ ये वाला. रुको. Now I'll show you. So they define the holidays as well. ये देखो ये. And these holidays they define the days. कि किस दिन कौन से festivals हैं. So if anybody logging a case, so logging an incident in these days, SLA will not be calculated, will not be run. Because we tell the system boss, these are the holidays, please don't run the SLA. Clear everybody till this point? Good. Now, what's next homework for you? Shakif, this portion I will not going to be tell you. I just tell you what you have to do. Go here, search for the schedule. Okay. Or open this table. CMN underscore schedule dot list. Click here, create your own schedule. Mention your name like LNG underscore batch 16. It doesn't matter, it's floating something, you can put anything, but put a floating only, that will be good. Then click on submit. And here, create your own schedule entry. कैसे करना है? Up to you. Go and explore. But at least everybody should create minimum 2 to 3 different schedules. 2 दिन का, 3 दिन का, 5 दिन का, 24/7. Put your holidays as well. And let me tell you very clearly, these things admin should know that how to configure. Don't be or don't think that, oh, Atul, I'm a consultant, why should I know this thing? Being a consultant, we have to be defined these things. And this is the part of SLA journey only, not the different one. Okay. Now this is important. Time zone source. It was 9 a.m. or let's say 8 a.m. IST. Akshay called me. And it was a midnight for me. Akshay, why you call me? Atul, you only told that I can call you anytime. Nahi bhai, only my 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sorry, I'm disconnecting your call. It's a midnight, I'm sleeping. We'll call you after 5 o'clock. This is the fundamental here now. How this SLA start? Calculation start. It says time zone source. Which source I should pick up so that I can see that when this SLA will getting started, or it's this SLA getting breach or not. This is a very confusing topic, confusing concept. It says number one, caller time zone. See the caller time zone and then see what is our time zone. And it's all about system background, system calculation, nothing much to be worried here. Okay. If my time zone, my schedule is in US hours. यहाँ पर. Let's say mine is Europe, London. But customer is calling from the caller is calling from the US time zone. नहीं भैया अभी नहीं होगा because your and my time zone different. So once SLA will reach on my time zone, then I'll start this working. Otherwise तो मैं schedule के बाद भी 24/7 ही काम करता रहूंगा if I'm supporting the multiple countries. ठीक. Or SLA definition time zone. This is the best one. Generally we use the caller time zone only. That is the standard practice. SLA definition time zone. What is the time zone for my SLA? ये वाला. I said my SLA time zone is Europe, London. Or I can say now it's a GMT actually. GMT. इसको ना थोड़ा सा रीड करना सर्विस ना डॉक्स के ऊपर to get little more clarity that how the background calculations work in this part. Or CI location time zone. If any incident get raised on a CI, what is CI? Is a configuration item. We have a dedicated topic for 2 or 3 days on the CMDB. If a CI is located in Dublin, shall I use or I need to be use that time zone to start my SLA. So that time zone get the SLA get converted and accordingly that will be started. So practically we always say it's a caller time zone. And for our practice we will use 24/7 ताकि हमारी calculations easy रहे, quick रहे, हमें देखने में easy रहे. Once you've done this particular part, so being a consultant, you have to be asked 1, 2, 3, and 4 options to the customer. That was tell me what configuration you need. And now come here. Start condition. When this SLA should get attached, you are typing a message, but you did not send that message to me. Then you can't blame me, Atul, you did not respond my message within the time because you did not send to me. I'll show you one more thing. Let me give another stuff. अभी पता चलेगा किस किसने मेहनत करी है इसके ऊपर. ओके. ओपन बाय नेम, मुझे ओपन है. ओके चलो. और क्रिएटेड. Now tell me, what is the difference between open and created, and why there's a 2 fields on incident table? What is the difference between open and created, and why there are these 2 fields on the incident table? बताइए.
Open means that you created it, and created means the system created it because it says
system. Come on, Jyotsna. System, when system will create, when we will say, right?
yeah.
अब भगवान तो आएंगे, खुल जाए सिम और बन जाए एक टिकट. Go ahead, Saransh.
Open is something which is in initial or draft stage and created when we submit it in our system.
Shabas, very good. Anybody else for the wrong answer? Anybody else? Go ahead, Arafat.
Open means all out of the box.
Shakib, just Shakib, 1 minute.
Okay.
Arafat, go ahead.
Open is one thing which we have not created. It will be already there present in the system. I mean, someone might be created. We will open and check. Created will be
who is someone? Who is someone?
User. Any user.
Who's user?
Admin. Might be some other user. It might be who is having other roles. Roles like admin.
Wait. There is nothing called someone. We have a specific role and we have a specific persona. Okay. No, that's not a right answer, even Arafat. Wait, Shakif. And after that, Andrew, you can go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Shakif.
So, open means out of the box incidents. Whoever is checking, that shows as open.
Nahin.
Whereas created means the person.
No.
Okay.
No, Shakif. No. Go ahead, Andrew.
I think open is an incident which has already been cited by an agent.
No, wrong answer. Anybody else? Go ahead, Rahul. Rahul, go ahead. Okay, Yashaswani, what do you think?
Actually, I didn't understand the question.
There's a 2 fields on an incident form, opened and created. Both are having the dates. and time. What's the difference between these two fields and why these two fields are required?
Created in the sense the first time when it is created. Open in the sense incidents which are open, which are not closed. I guess.
No.
No.
Selma, what do you think?
I think
Yeah,
it's true.
I also feel the
It's
same.
true.
Open means last time when it was open.
Sorry, Andrew, you're saying something. Rahul, give me 1 minute. You're saying
Sure.
something, Andrew?
I said I think it's true because an open incident, whenever you open, you assign it as opened.
No. Okay, if that is the case, let
When
me give you
last time,
another
when
confusion
last
then.
time it was open.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay,
Now 3
updated
fields are
also.
there. Now tell me. Opened, created, and updated.
Updated means you've opened the case and then done something on it.
Come on. Don't go that much on the definition level. Go ahead, Mimi.
Okay, for me, I think the open is just based on the when an incident is being created, it's being saved to the database, it's being saved to the server. So it's pick the information from there. Why for the open field is just based on when a user open up the incident record.
No. Rahul Kulkarni.
Yeah, like whenever the incident will be like uh, opened or first we will create, then it will be created, and whenever we want to open that incident like on the list view, then
No.
it will be open.
No.
Uh,
No. Prashant, go ahead. Prashant, go ahead. Okay, Himanshu.
Hello.
Yes,
I'm
Himanshu, go ahead.
audible. Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
Hello. Yes, Atul. Atul, sorry, there was some issue in my mic. Now I'm audible.
Yes, go ahead, Himanshu, quick.
Okay. I'm Prashant, Atul, actually.
Oh, sorry, Prashant. I guess Himanshu also raised this one. Okay, go ahead, Prashant.
Okay. Actually, Atul, created means like whenever we have created, like I have created some fields on 6 months ago. So, and the open last time open time, like I have opened that thing.
No.
And
Wrong. Yashaswani, last chance.
Yes, Atul. Open in the sense when we open the incident form, right? So that is the open time, which means before the saving the record. So created in this, as soon as we click on the save, the incident will.
Galat hai jawab. Wrong answer.
No. Okay.
No. Anybody else want to be answer it now? Last chance. Okay, let me give you the answer. You can lower your head down. Yeah, this thing. Hands, guys. Mimi and Prashant, lower down your hands. Okay. Saransh and Yashaswani. Again, the same problem came here. Your answer is correct, but you're not confident on your answer. Open means when a user go and click on the new and open this form. Did you notice one thing here? There's a difference of seconds, minutes. See, 58,805. Why there's a difference? Because a user take time to fill this form that is opened. And when you click on the submit, that is created. One of my customers says, I want SLA to be start at the opened. Now the question come, let's say Salma called me. Atul, I want to discuss something with you. I said, okay, give me a call. The call started at 10 o'clock. Okay. Salma call and someone knock at Salma's door. Ring is going. I pick up the call. She was not speaking. Hello, hello, Salma, you are there. Hello, hello, hello. 2 minutes, 3 minutes gone. That is called open. When she correct me first, sorry, Atul, someone has a door. That is created. There will be always a gap between open and the created one. So my customer says, Atul, I want to start my SLA on the opened. I said, very good. I said, but how you will make sure that that SLA should not be breached? Because Josna is open this form and she want to be raise an incident. Josna mentioned college, Josna description, LNG test, and she was writing a description now. And Josna got a call from her mother. They speak for 40 minutes. And then Josna come and writing this thing and submit. Because these are the genuine cases. I asked my client, boss, I'm okay to take it on the opened. But the problem is that if your customer, your user is taking more time, then this will be impacting my SLA. चलो चाय बनाते हैं फिर बाद में स्टोरी पे काम करते हैं. Oh, I'll write the description little later. Let's have a cup of tea first. But customers is customer. They want it should be on the opened only. There can be reasons. This is look easy form. In user trainings, we go like I got a lot of do the user trainings as well. So my customer says, Atul, how much time it will take for you to be raise a change request? I said within a minute I can raise a change request. But our team is taking more than 15 minutes. Because they are new to the system. They don't know what this field should include, what this parameter should contain. I am a trainer, I know quick, test, done. Another reason, I am also taking I'll taking 13 minutes, customer taking 18 minutes. Why it's taking too long? Is my form is so complex, so much dependency, so much to be filled, everything. So to improve that part as well, customer sometimes put the SLA on the open. So I say when this SLA will be start, SLA will be start when the short description contains word LNG. Now you have to be open your mind 360-degree and think that what is the best condition for your tables you can put in the start. Then when to cancel. When to cancel. Okay, abhi I am raising incident. Now I'm putting the LNG. And if I remove the word LNG, my SLA should be stop. My SLA should be cancel. When to cancel? When start condition is not met. Tab cancel kar do. Don't worry about this one, retroactive. We will complete this on Monday. We have to be complete this topic on Monday SLA. Okay. Then let's submit. Chalo, let's raise a new incident. Caller this LNG. Save. Scroll down. आ गया हमारा SLA. I'm sure it will continue after that as well. आ गया? Why? Because we have a SLA definition. ये रहा. Now change the short description. And save. See, it get cancelled. क्यों? क्योंकि condition match नहीं हुआ. Generally, when we start the SLA, we put the priority as well. The priority should be P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So you can put and priority is P4. That is when I'm giving 2 days here. Before you define your SLAs, you need to be read the out of the box SLAs. Only then you will understand when to be pause. When state is on hold. Then it should be pause. Pause का है, cancel नहीं कहा मैंने, complete नहीं कहा मैंने. Should be pause. And when to resume? Either you define the conditions. I say when to resume when the state is in progress, then resume. Or state is new. Or state is in progress. Then again resume. Let's test it. Let's LNG. See. No SLA get attached. Why? Because in our SLA, start condition says it should have a priority 4. Chalo, let's change it to priority 4. And now save. See. Why this SLA get attached? SLA and notifications are two things which will only work when the specific condition get match. इसलिए that is I'm again saying again and again to you guys. Before you start your service now, your SLA configuration, you need to be read the out of the box SLA first. You can create your SLA on the incident table, no problem. I have no issues. You can create SLA your own table as well. If you're creating on the incident table, please read about the already configured SLA on the incident table. हो गया progress में. Business time left 9 minutes. Why? Because it is 24/7 SLA. Sorry, 24/7 schedule. Refresh this list. 48 second गए. 8.3%, 13% gone. This is a related list. इसका अपना घर. It has its own house. Now let me show you something here. देखो, इसमें I'll show you something. target business elapsed percentage निकाल देते हैं, that's not required. Original breeze time, pause duration, pause time has breach elapsed time left. Generally, I give this words in my all trainings, and I will tell you in English, but in Hindi everybody can understand here. ये इश्क नहीं ऐसा एक आग का दरिया है, ठीक है? So this service now is not that easy which you are thinking on the day 1 and day 2. So Andrew, meaning is that the love is not that much easy. It's like a sea of fire and you have to be cross it by swimming. Okay. So don't think that ServiceNow was easy on the day 1 when we say, okay, guys, this is ServiceNow, these are the capabilities. Now we're going in deep and deep and deep. Every day you're getting more confused, more frustrated. And it will be clear if you clear your funders are clear. So this is my SLA. 8-minute business time. कब breach होगा? It will breach at 6:05. क्यों? क्योंकि my SLA was at 10 minutes. कब शुरू हुआ था? 5:55:23. It will breach at this one. See the smartness of service now. It's telling you guys, start your work. It will breach by this time. I need to be drop my kid at the school. I know that if I start from my home at 7:57, I can catch the bus. But if I start from my home at 7:58, I will not able to catch the bus. That is my breach times. उसके बाद जाओगे तो breach हो जाएगा. It's breach? No. क्योंकि हमारा actual business is same because our schedule is 24/7. Let me refresh. 6 minutes जा चुके हैं. Sorry, 6 minutes बचे हैं. 3 minutes जा चुके हैं. Now let's put the pause condition. What was the pause condition? On hold. Put anything. Now go and refresh this one. See, I'm not worried about this one now. I'm worried about only my SLA. It's pause. There was some road work is going on. So bus has paused there. I get more time. See, everything has been holded now. Refresh it again. This concept is important on the Monday's class as well. Retroactive. Retro stands for the old days, 60s, 70s, 90s, 80s time period. So now this condition says it's a pause. And when this pause will be over, either you move this incident in the new or in the in progress. And now if I take it back to the in progress and save, come back here, refresh. Now it says original breach time is this. You have this much left. Why? Because we are, and pause time is 1 minute. Has breach, no, wait, let me add one more field here. Breach time. See, it says earlier the breach time was 6:05. But as you put a 1 minute pause, so now the breach time is 6:06. क्योंकि वो टाइम हट गया, उसमें से निकल गया. We have to be remove it. Okay, but sometime agents do this part intentionally to save the SLA. अरे pause पे डाल देते हैं. In the 10-20 minutes I'll fix it and then I can close this incident. Okay, and last is a stop condition. When SLA will be stop. SLA will be stop. I'm not saying close or complete. When the state is resolve. तब stop कर देंगे SLA. Close nahi, complete nahi. I'm not saying completed. I'm saying stop. Now go and move your incident to the resolve state. And come back here. And see, it's completed. It can be restart again. Sorry, I'll take my words back. Stop means it's completed, but it will reopen as well. When these conditions will be again reset conditions. Sorry, not reset conditions, Billy. Your pause yes, your stop condition will be there. If you go back, it will again go in the start condition. If I put the condition here as a state is in progress or new, then it will start again. And reset means I want to cancel this one and start as a fresh. How to means I'll say if state changes from resolve. अगर resolve से कुछ भी state change हो जाता है तो cancel करके नया SLA बना दो. Create a new SLA or you want to complete this SLA. I said no, cancel this one. Previous का existence खत्म कर दो. So I can do this thing. So now you can see. Now, as you put the reset as well, let's say from resolve, I'm going to the in progress. Let's see what happened now to my SLA. Go and refresh. देखो वो complete ही हो गया और एक नया SLA start हो गया. This is a business need. इसीलिए the best option which I always tell to my participants, read these SLAs resolution. इनके conditions पढ़ो. Read this. Read this. Then you will understand that how this SLA work. And then define the SLA on your tables. Clear everybody? Doubt, question, clarification. Go ahead, Ishasuni.
Atul, we have created one SLA, but we got two in the list, right? For the priority and the...
I said SLA work on the condition. Go and read this SLA that why this is getting attached.
Okay.
It means in this SLA there are conditions which is matching with my incident. Right?
Okay, which means out of the box SLA is matching with your incident. That's why it is.
Yes.
Got it.
So if your incident match with the 5 different SLAs, all 5 will get attached. Like if you're not well, you said I'm having a headache. What your husband will say? take a Crossing or take a Zolo, this one, uh, this one. अरे जो अभी आया था कोविड में, or take a Disprin kind of things. It means as the condition matching, I have a headache. So these 5 medicines you can take it. All get attached. So for this weekend, the homework is big. ठीक है Shakif, put that question in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
And now get ready for the class test. Sorry, Josna and I guess Mimi is getting late for you and Risha for you, but 5-7 minutes will take it more. Okay. I'm putting some questions. Go ahead. Okay, it's Arafat. Okay. I'm putting some questions. Nobody will speak. Everybody need to be answered in the chat window very clearly. Okay. Switch on your cameras. Go ahead, please.
One more last question.
Good,
So
good.
if you said right, if conditions are met, 5 SLAs will be attached. So if you require only one SLA to be active, we can set other as inactive also.
No, then you have to be see that you have to be either change the conditions, because making as a inactive is not a recommendation part. So first you have to be see that why this 5 SLA is getting attached on the same incident. Is it a customer need or it's something intentionally we have to be do? So practically, because this is a PDI, we have a lot of out of the box data as well. Otherwise, in actual things, it's not the case. Only for specific condition, specific SLA get attached. Clear?
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Chaliye, switch on the camera, guys, quick. Nobody will speak. Everybody need to be answered only in the chat window. Okay. What is the table name of user table? Type in the chat window. मैंने user table पूछा Rafat, not the task table. Sys user, are you sure? Or sys underscore users? Dhruv, it should be sys underscore user, not the users. मेरी बातों को सच मत मानो. Don't believe on me. Okay. What is the meaning of ITIL? Full form of ITIL. बाकी लोग भी जवाब दो. Everybody need to be answer it quickly. Okay. What is the table name of the group user table? Sorry, not role table. What is the table name of the role table?
What is that?
What is the table name of the role table? User has role is something different. User's role is something different. Okay. Which is the technique, methodology is used in the global search? That was the homework. FTS is for the file sharing. Rahul. Correct. Zing text index is the right one. Okay. What is the table name where all table gets stored? What is the table name where all table gets stored? Nahi Rahul, task is a base table. It is sys underscore db object or db objects. What is the right answer? DB object or DB objects?
Objects.
Pakka. Okay. What is the command we can use in ServiceNow to know which version we are using of ServiceNow at point of time. Rahul, mere bhai, it's not task everything. Task is just a table. Stats.do. Okay, wait. Let me see who is not responding. I'm getting reply from Himanshu, you're not responding. Josna, you're not responding. Salma, you're not responding. Seema, not responding. Please respond, guys. It's for everybody's
I'm
purpose.
responding, Atul.
Okay, okay, yes, now I can see.
I'm also.
Okay.
I'm also responding.
Okay, good. Now, what is the table name for the choice table? अब प्रशांत is confused. ये तो पढ़ा ही नहीं था मैंने. Sys underscore choices or sys underscore choice?
If we,
Sorry?
I mean, can you hear me? If you want a choice list, if you're going for choice list, if it is like sys underscore choice underscore list.
Okay. No, underscore list nahi hai. That list is get added when you run the command. Okay.
Oh,
What is the difference between dot list in the small and dot list in the capital? What is the major difference? Quickly, one liner is answer only.
question, please.
What is the difference between dot list in the small when you type and when you write dot list in the capital letter?
Okay, fine.
अच्छा, बहुत स्मार्ट हो गए ना. अब ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन. Give me five tables which are the base table. 5 tables which are the base table. Don't go in the sysdb website and वहां से सर्च मत करके लाओ. मैं सबको देख रहा हूं कि कौन क्या क्या कर रहा है. Rahul, incident is not a base table. ठीक है, ये शब्द नहीं. Task, CMDB, CI. What other two? Problem change is not this one. No, Himanshu, wrong answer. CMDB can be there, but incident problem change is a core table, not the base. Request. Nice. Okay. 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 One more question. What is the formula or what is the way that generate 32 character length sys ID? I told you, right? There is a combination. What is that combination? I'm looking for the combination of sys ID. Alphanumeric is fine, Shakib. But how that alphanumeric get generated? There is a combination. I'm looking for that combination. What hexa something, Himanshu? Not hexa something is not. Hexadecimal, no. But how that, okay, if you say hexadecimal, how that hexa will be get generated? Table ID, instance ID? Nahin, no. Is a set of service now? No. It is. I know it is a set of service now, but how that alphanumeric number get generated? See, I told you that sys ID generated automatically, but it has some combination. It generated based on the instance ID, system related components. But what are the system related components? Okay. In interview, we say I did this. I want to know that did contain IP address, GMT, a number derived from the glide record, pseudo random numbers. Good, Yashaswini. So it includes your dates as well. Your date, your creation time, seconds, and the milliseconds as well. Including all this combination, this will get generated. Okay.
Okay, these are the components, right?
Yes.
Date. Could you repeat, actually?
So like Yashaswini mentioned, I am IP address, your GMT time zones, including your time, date, year, month, seconds, and milliseconds as well included. And it go in the background and get the glide record information and then generate the 32-bit number. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let me go for the last one now. What is the table name for the location table? It's not CMDB, it's a CM and location, Salma. And what is the table name for the department table? And company table?
Look.
Akshay, it's not CMDB, it's a CMN department or CMN department basically, not department as well. Country table. What is the table name for the country?
Not sure.
हाँ तो ढूंढो. Not sure से काम ढूंढना चलेगा.
No. We should not search it.
But अभी नहीं तो बाद में तो ढूंढो. Yes. Ishaswini, is core country or core countries?
Country only. It's not countries.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Don't confuse.
Okay. Okay. Last.
Yeah,
How
please.
many practices we have in ITL 4? How many practices we have in ITL 4? कुछ भी दरअसल 34 ऐसे.
That is 34, no?
I'm not sure. I'm asking.
Yeah, I'm sure that's what I'm telling.
Even I don't know many answers in these questions. मैं तो बस ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ. I don't remember that.
It's 34, sure.
Sure. Good. It's 34.
Definitely 34.
Okay, great. So let's we can stop the answers now, and you can stop the videos as well if you want. अरे मैंने अपना वीडियो ऑन नहीं किया था. That's fine. Okay, I forget. Good. Let me on. Okay, so now we're done for this one. Please put this homework in the Shakif in this particular part, and please make sure if you did not completed your homework for the tables, do that part as well. Create your tables, create your SLAs. That is more important, and read about the out-of-the-box tables and SLAs over the weekend. Okay, any last question before I close the recording?
Attendance.
Anybody? Go ahead, Arafat.
No, nothing.
Okay, good. So let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.